Hello friends, welcome. Today I am putting together a very fun collage. This is going to end up being a collage with some girls playing in spaghetti. But while I'm working on getting this base down, I wanted to mention something to you. And I wanted to tell you that I'm going to reboot Swap and Glue in January. So I'll have more details to follow, but I just wanted to give you a heads up in case you're interested. Many of you have heard of Swap and Glue, and there have been many requests to reboot it and bring it back. So that's what I'm planning on doing in January. And I want to give a shout out to my friend Carol of Recrafted by Carol because she and I started Swap and Glue when the pandemic first hit, and it was a great hit. So it's time to bring it back and have a little fun with it. I also wanted to mention to you that I'm going to, in December, I will be beginning a collage class for beginners, and each consecutive class will build on the first one. So the first one starts out pretty simple, and then we're just going to build on each one. And if you're not comfortable with collage, the point is to get you more and more comfortable with collage, with using images from magazines or books or wherever, and not being afraid to just tear into them and put them down. So I hope you will join me for that. If you've sort of always wanted to do collage but didn't know where to start, I think this could be a great beginning for you. I started this page off with a magazine image, simply just to cover the white. That's the only purpose of this magazine image. I'm going to go over top of that with a book page. I have some ephemera that I brought home from Italy. This was a placemat, a paper placemat from one of the restaurants that we went to. And so there's this big, as you can see, dish of spaghetti. So I'm going to go ahead and get that down on the page. I have a stack of coastal living magazines, and I use those a lot in my collages. And there is an image of these two girls, and they are playing on the beach. So I am fussy cutting them out because now we're going to go ahead and have them playing in the spaghetti. I thought it would be kind of funny to use these words here, and it says you deserve better, and I just thought that was funny because I do think that they deserve to be playing on the beach. However, that being said, it could be kind of fun to play around in spaghetti, but a little bit messy too. And I think it's a pretty good idea to add this beach ball. I'm going to add one more piece to the bottom of the page, and that's it. It's a very simple collage, but it's a lot of fun. So friends, I hope you'll join me for Collage Class, and then in January for the reboot of Swap and Glue. Again, more details will be coming about that, so hang tight. I'm trying to get myself organized and get everything situated and try to make sure that I do this in such a way that everybody that wants to participate gets to participate and has a partner. So, my friends, I appreciate you being here. Thanks for watching. See you soon.